Again, just throw any questions you have into the chat. I do see one here for Adam from Barb Cohen. How many of the requirements for tools were incorporated into the contract language?
Those are publicly available, so I can talk about that. The level of requirements are not very deep. It just basically says that contractors shall provide some or all of these tools, and they kind of took a list that we have been working on. So I would presume that the requirements documents, the detailed ones that our team has worked on, will be provided as the baseline. But that is a big question mark for sure.
Great, thank you. And then there's a question about LTV. Did the LTV concept study take into account Moon to Mars?
So really in this particular concept, we were looking at the lunar environment since it was the nearest the nearest objective. From a architecture standpoint, yes, we were looking at Mars, but we were looking more at the vehicle level detail specifics as opposed to more of an architecture thought process.
Thank you. And just one question that's not in the chat for LTV as well. Sorry, Nathan, you're gonna get all the questions. So how, how, I guess, is science incorporated into LTV plans? Like, do you have scientists on the team, or is there any other way that you factor in science or science payloads into the design?
Yes, we are actively engaging the science community to make sure that we get their their inputs into the process.
Great, thank you. All right, I'm not seeing any other questions come in. If anyone thinks of any questions for the speakers, again, always just throw it in the chat and they can address them there.